Steps Guide on how to roll over an existing retirement account to a Gold IRA. As economic uncertainty rises, many investors choose to protect their retirement funds by converting traditional retirement accounts into gold-backed assets. A Gold IRA rollover allows individuals to transfer funds from a 401k or IRA into a self-directed IRA that holds physical gold and precious metals, offering protection against inflation and market volatility. This video explains how to roll over your 401k or IRA into a Gold IRA, along with common mistakes to avoid. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 401k to Gold IRA rollover process. 1. Confirm eligibility. If you have a 401k with a former employer, you can typically roll it over into a Gold IRA. If you're still employed, check if your plan allows in-service withdrawals. 2. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Choose an IRS-approved custodian who specializes in self-directed IRAs that can hold physical gold. 3. Choose a reputable dealer. Work with a trusted dealer to buy IRS-approved gold, gold bars, American Eagle coins. 4. Initiate a direct rollover. Request a direct rollover from your 401k provider to the Gold IRA custodian. This avoids penalties and tax withholding. 5. Purchase gold and store it securely. Once funds are in your Gold IRA, buy the gold and ensure it is stored in an IRS-approved depository. IRA to Gold IRA rollover steps. 1. Select a Gold IRA custodian. Not all custodians handle precious metals. Choose one experienced with gold IRAs. 2. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. The new IRA must be set up to hold alternative assets like gold. 3. Transfer funds from existing IRA. Opt for a trustee-to-trustee transfer to avoid tax penalties. 4. Select and purchase gold. Buy IRS-approved gold bars or coins with the transferred funds. 5. Store gold in an IRS-approved depository. Gold must be stored in a regulated, insured depository. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Choosing an unqualified custodian. Make sure your custodian is authorized to handle precious metals. 2. Indirect rollover. Withdrawals not deposited within 60 days are taxable. Stick to direct rollovers. 3. Buying ineligible gold. Only approved gold bullion and coins qualify for a Gold IRA. 4. Improper storage. The IRS requires storage in an IRS-approved depository. 5. Neglecting required minimum distributions, RMDs. Gold IRAs require RMDs starting at age 73. Rolling over to a Gold IRA is a smart way to diversify and protect retirement savings. By following the correct procedures and avoiding common mistakes, you can safeguard your wealth for the future. Choose the right custodian, work with a trusted dealer, and ensure proper storage to maintain your Gold IRA's tax advantages. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.